happened to be at Vernon Meta's home space in Spatial, and I've been wanting very much so to share some of his worlds that he created in Spatial. David is a good friend of mine, and we met in AltspaceVR. Sadly, AltspaceVR shut down like 3 years ago, so the AltSpacers had to migrate to other virtual reality communities. Some came here to Spatial, others went to VR Chat, others went to Engage, others to Cluster, and so on. So let's check out the DJI drone show. David has more portals, so we can see other. Awesome. But this one caught my eye because I have a drone. I upgraded from the DJI Flip to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. It was the very last drone to be released in 2025, last year. Any drones by DJI released this year have been banned by the United States. So drones in America. It's unfortunate. Let's check out showrooms and demos. Immersive experience. Oh, Insta360 camera. Ooh, I have one of those. This is the Mavic. Could this be the Mini 5 drone? That's the one I have. DJI Mini 5 drone. And my controller, no, it's not that one. That one you have to attach a cell phone to it. Mine is like a computer screen, and it's awesome. I can see what's going on. This is the Mini 2. That's old. Mavic 3. Master the skies. Indeed. This is a broken link, I guess. This is a bigger drone. Oh, that one is used to film. It's perfect for filming movies. Oh, that one is encased by a sphere. Mavic 2 and Enterprise. Oh, this one I think it's old. This one is pretty old. This is a screen that I have. What does that say? See the Mini 5? Here's a screen that I have. It's fantastic. And then you can put a SD card in there to record what appears on this screen, but I can also put another SD card on my DJI Mini 5 Pro, so it records what the camera sees. Pretty cool. This has like a flight path. It's very high tech, very high tech. This is the one to get. Does that say Mini? Maybe that's the one I have, Mini 5. Wow. Mine is similar to that one, but I can't tell. I think that says Mini 3. I have the Mini 5 Pro. I'm sorry, Mini 5 Pro. Is the Air 2, the Avata, and you wear those goggles to see where you're going. Ooh, yeah, these drones take amazing images. Even my DJI Flip was very good, but I prefer the Mini 5 Pro. It's more versatile. He's got a whole collection here from the very first ones. Make sure if you're planning on buying a drone, I highly recommend you speak to David Vernon Meta, because he uses many drones, and he's quite the subject matter expert on those. Now, I would recommend you get the Mini 5 Pro because it comes with this, and it's the only drone I know of that can fly for 50 minutes. Yes, 50, not 15, 50. And I bought the Fly More combo, so I got 3 batteries that last anywhere from 45 to 50 minutes each. Not that I will be flying a drone for over an hour, but I just like that feeling of being able to film at any time. There's always a learning curve, and as always, I recommend you start learning in a plain field with no cables above your head, something easy. Start out easy on the near the ground. Don't take it too high until you feel comfortable enough to fly it further away. And then lastly, when you are super comfortable, then take it to the beach so you can film the coastline. That's this Mini 3. But oh, that's an old one. So let's go to the 360 cameras. Yes. My 360 is from Insta360 X5, which is the latest, the latest 360 camera. I used to have a GoPro as well, but I sold it, and I did some research and I went with the X5. I can see David is a fan of the 360. Wow, I think I'm gonna get all excited when I see mine. I used to have this one, X3. I used to have it, and then I sold it. I upgraded to the 5. Oh, this is an oldie. It's an old one. Insta360 Nano. Yes, I remember now. They used to call Insta360, the X5, the drone camera, because if you have a long enough stick, selfie stick, it feels as if a drone is flying over you as it films you, but it's not the drone, it's just the stick that it's pretty long. I don't know which kind this is. Snow bundle, it doesn't say. No, this is the X3. No, I got the X5. Maybe there's more over on the other side. Oh, here. No, I've already seen all these. Yeah. These are GoPros. No, this one is Insta, but these are GoPros. No, Insta360. Oh, my bad. They're all Insta360s. I have the chest strap. Oh my gosh, yes. I got the accessories. I have the selfie stick, this. I have the headband, and also the water equipment to take it swimming with me. Is there more around here? Just checking. No. Okay, so what's this? Drone showroom been there? No, this one is an X3. Trust me, the X5 is a heck of a lot better. Oh, and at night it takes beautiful, beautiful videos and fully lit uh, photos, snapshots. Big improvement in terms of the lens aperture. Yeah. Okay. So we're moving to other places by David. So until next time. Ciao.